Thank you for calling the Juma.
Juma customer service, how can I help you?
Hello?
Hi, this is Juma customer service. How can I help you?
Hello?
Hello, it's a very bad line.
Is it? Oh.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, how can I help you?
Will you be my friend?
Sorry?
Will you be my friend?
Sorry?
Will you be my friend?
If I will be your what?
Friend. Will you be my friend?
If I'll be your son?
No, friend.
I don't understand what that means, sir.
A friend. Are you my friend?
Sir, I really, if I will be yours, what?
Friend.
Friend. Ah. Yeah, of course, we can be friends.
Yay, I've got a friend.
Yeah, of course. How are you, sir?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine. I'm fine.
I'm excited now because I've got a new friend.
Yeah, of course. Actually, this is a customer service.
So you can't be my friend?
Well, I can be your friend on the phone, but in real life, I'm not sure this is my work. But I can be your friend, of course.
So you'll talk to me?
I cannot talk to you that much because I have other customers waiting.
Oh, so you're friends to lots of people?
Yeah. Yes, I am.
Ah, so you got lots of friends calling you?
Well, I have a lot of friends calling me every day.
Nice.
Yeah, that's nice.
So what are you doing today?
What I'm doing today?
Yeah.
I'm working, sir.
Are you?
I'm working.
Nice. Nice.
Well, yeah, it's nice. It's okay.
Yeah, that's good.
What are you doing, sir?
Nothing. Nothing really.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Okay.
I might go eat later, but apart from that, nothing.
All right.
Yeah. Good
Well, sir,
Goodbye.
it's been very nice talking with you, but I have other customers other friends waiting. So
So they are your friends, not customers, they're friends.
well, it really depends. If they want to be my friend, of course we are friends. But many of them also just are customers who want to get some info.
Huh? Ah, that's good.
Yeah.
That's good. So you got lots of friends and lots of customers.
Yeah. Yes, I do.
Good.
Yeah.
That's nice. That's always a fun time.
So yeah. So I would just wish you a nice day, sir, and thank you for the
No, I want to
for the
keep on
chat.
talking to you.
Sorry?
I want to keep on talking to you.
Yeah, of course.
That's good. That's good. So what do you do for fun?
Today I cannot really talk anymore now, sir, because other people are calling me.
I'll just call back. Don't hang up on me.
Okay.
Okay. So
Bye bye.
what do you do for fun?
What I do for fun?
Yeah.
Sir, I'm really sorry. I'm a quite busy man right now, so I will have to hang up.
So when can I talk to you?
I don't know. You can. I think if you want to call this number, it's probably because you should have a problem with your mobile phone.
Ah. So it's not for friends. 'Cause I want a friend.
Well, if you want to call it a friend, you can do that. But actually, this is my job.
Ah. So you can't have friends while you have a job.
Sorry?
You can't have friends while you have a job.
If I cannot have friends?
So can you have friends? You can't talk to me, can you?
Yes, I can, but I cannot talk with you that long time. Normally, the people that calls me, they calls me for 1.5 minutes, and
Hello. Well,
Oh, well, how long has this call lasted?
this have been 4 minutes, 4.5 minutes.
That's good.
Yeah, that's good.
This is very good. So we could, so you haven't answered my question. What do you do for fun?
Sorry?
I eat for fun.
Sorry?
I eat for fun.
You eat for fun.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Yeah.
how come?
Because it's fun.
All right.
Yeah.
So yeah, I really have to hang up now because
No.
yeah, I'm sorry.
Can't just somebody else answer them? Or can't you just put them on hold or whatever?
Sorry?
Can't you just put them on hold?
No, sir, I cannot put you on hold. I'm sorry because I have a lot of work. I have to get back to my work. You know, I'm writing a lot of emails every day, speaking a lot of with people.
So you speak to a lot of friends?
Sorry?
So you speak to a lot of friends?
If I speak with a lot of friends,
Yeah. Do you do that?
that depends, sir.
Yeah.
But sir, I will wish you a pleasant day and nice to talk with you. Okay?
Nice to talk to you. So
Yeah.
I'll call back in an hour and then we can talk and be friends.
But I don't think we can talk, sir, because I'm only helping people with their mobile problems, you know. So I
Okay,
cannot.
I've got a problem with my mobile.
Okay. I'm so. What problem do you have?
It blew up.
It blew up.
Yeah.
Okay, sir, I cannot help you with that. I'm terrible sorry. I don't think
you can't help me with my phone blowing up.
I cannot help you if your mobile blow up
Why?
because that's not the thing I help with. I
Can you transfer me to the blowing up mobile department?
I sorry, I don't know what is that department.
The department that deals with phones being blown up.
Yeah, we don't have that department here.
So where can I talk? Where can I have help with my phone blowing up?
I'm not sure. I've never had that query before.
Oh.
But
So what can I do with my phone being blown up?
I don't know, sir. I have never heard that problem before. That if a phone blow up.
Oh.
So I'm not sure about that.
Oh well, that's okay.
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 But
Don't hang up.
yeah, nice chatting with you, sir.
No, don't hang up.
I'm sorry, sir. I really have to hang up.
Hello, welcome to Skype call testing service. After the beep, please record a message.